9 types of cargo ships and what they look like. There are several types of cargo ships designed to transport different types of cargo. Here are some of the most common types. 1. Bulk carrier. A bulk carrier is a type of cargo ship designed to transport dry bulk cargoes, such as coal, iron ore, grains, and minerals in large quantities. These cargoes are typically loaded and unloaded using conveyor systems, and the ships may have multiple cargo holds that are divided by bulkheads. Bulk carriers come in a variety of sizes and configurations, ranging from smaller handy-size vessels with a capacity of around 40,000 tons, to larger Cape-size vessels that can carry up to 400,000 tons of cargo. Some bulk carriers may also be equipped with cranes to facilitate loading and unloading in ports that do not have appropriate equipment. To ensure safety during transport, bulk carriers are subject to strict regulations and standards, including requirements for stability, structural integrity, and cargo handling. Despite these measures, there have been several incidents involving bulk carrier accidents, such as capsizing or cargo shifting, which have highlighted the need for continued safety improvements in the industry. 2. Oil tanker. An oil tanker is a type of cargo ship designed to transport large quantities of crude oil or refined petroleum products, such as gasoline, diesel, and jet fuel. These ships are typically large and have a cylindrical shape with multiple tanks for carrying the oil or petroleum products. Oil tankers are classified according to their size and capacity, ranging from small tankers of a few thousand tons to giant supertankers that can carry over 300,000 tons of oil. They are equipped with specialized pumps, valves, and pipes for loading and unloading the cargo. To ensure safety during transport, oil tankers are subject to strict regulations and standards, including requirements for double hulls, fire safety systems, and environmental protection measures. Despite these measures, there have been several high-profile incidents involving oil tanker accidents and spills, highlighting the need for continued vigilance and safety improvements in the industry. Three. Container ship. These ships are specifically designed to carry cargo in standard-sized shipping containers, which can be easily loaded and unloaded using cranes. Container ships can carry a wide range of cargo, including manufactured goods, consumer goods, and raw materials. A container ship designed to transport cargo in standardized shipping containers. These containers can be easily loaded and unloaded using cranes, and are typically 20 or 40 feet in length. Container ships come in a range of sizes, with the largest vessels capable of carrying over 20,000 containers. They may have multiple decks with rows of containers stacked on top of each other, and are designed to accommodate containers of various sizes and types. To ensure safety and efficiency during transport, container ships are subject to strict regulations and standards, including requirements for stability, structural integrity, and cargo securing. The use of standardized containers also helps to streamline logistics and reduce the time and cost of loading and unloading cargo. Container shipping has become a key component of global trade, with container ships transporting a wide range of goods, including manufactured goods, consumer goods, and raw materials, between ports around the world. 4. Chemical tanker. A chemical tanker is a type of cargo ship designed to transport a wide range of liquid chemicals, including acids, petroleum products, and industrial chemicals. These ships are typically constructed with specialized tanks and pumping systems to ensure the safe transport of hazardous chemicals. Chemical tankers may be classified according to the type of cargo they transport, such as acid tankers or product tankers. They come in a range of sizes, with the largest vessels capable of carrying up to 50,000 tons of cargo. To ensure safety during transport, chemical tankers are subject to strict regulations and standards, including requirements for tank construction, ventilation, and cargo handling. They may also be equipped with specialized safety equipment, such as gas detection systems and firefighting equipment, to manage the risks associated with transporting hazardous chemicals. Due to the potential risks involved, the operation of chemical tankers requires specialized training and expertise, with crew members trained to manage hazardous materials and respond to emergencies. 5. LNG ship. An LNG, liquefied natural gas, ship is a type of cargo ship designed to transport liquefied natural gas. LNG is natural gas that has been cooled to a temperature of -162 degrees Celsius, which turns it into a liquid form that is much denser and easier to transport than in its gaseous state. LNG ships are typically constructed with specialized tanks that can withstand the extremely low temperatures required to keep the LNG in a liquid state. These tanks are often made of materials such as stainless steel or aluminum alloy, and may be equipped with insulation to maintain the temperature of the LNG during transport. LNG ships may come in a range of sizes, with the largest vessels capable of carrying up to 270,000 cubic meters of LNG. They may also be equipped with specialized pumping and cargo handling systems to ensure the safe transfer of the LNG to and from the ship. To ensure safety during transport, LNG ships are subject to strict regulations and standards, including requirements for tank construction, stability, and emergency response. The operation of LNG ships requires specialized training and expertise, with crew members trained to manage the risks associated with transporting liquefied natural gas. 6. VLCC. VLCC stands for Very Large Crude Carrier. It is a type of oil tanker designed to transport large quantities of crude oil. VLCCs are some of the largest ships in the world, with a typical size of around 200,000 to 320,000 deadweight tons, DWT. VLCCs are constructed with multiple cargo tanks and pumping systems to transport crude oil from production facilities to refineries around the world. They may be equipped with double hulls and other safety features to prevent oil spills and protect the environment during transport. To ensure safety during transport, VLCCs are subject to strict regulations and standards, including requirements for stability, structural integrity, and cargo handling. They may also be equipped with specialized equipment for firefighting and oil spill response. Despite these safety measures, there have been several high-profile incidents involving VLCC accidents and spills, highlighting the need for continued safety improvements in the industry. 7. Ro-Ro ship, short for roll-on/roll-off. These ships are designed to transport vehicles, such as cars, trucks, and heavy machinery. Ro-Ro ships have large, open cargo decks that allow vehicles to be driven on and off the ship. Ro-Ro ships come in a variety of sizes and configurations, ranging from smaller vessels that transport cars and small trucks, to larger vessels that can accommodate heavy equipment and oversized cargo. Some Ro-Ro ships may also have specialized facilities for carrying refrigerated cargo, such as perishable food items. To ensure safety during transport, Ro-Ro ships are subject to strict regulations and standards, including requirements for stability, structural integrity, and cargo securing. They may also be equipped with specialized safety equipment, such as fire suppression systems and alarm systems, to manage the risks associated with carrying large amounts of vehicles and equipment. Ro-Ro shipping is a popular method of transporting vehicles and other wheeled cargo between ports around the world. It is often used by automotive manufacturers and logistics companies to move cars and trucks between production facilities and dealerships, as well as for the transport of construction equipment and other heavy machinery. 8. General cargo. These ships are versatile and can transport a variety of cargo types, including packaged goods, vehicles, and machinery. General cargo ships may have multiple cargo holds and can be adapted to carry different types of cargo. General cargo can be transported by various modes of transportation, including trucks, trains, ships, and airplanes. In the shipping industry, general cargo is typically transported in containers, either in full container loads, FCL, or less than container loads, LCL. The handling of general cargo requires careful planning and coordination to ensure that the cargo is transported safely and efficiently. This includes proper packaging and labeling, securing the cargo to prevent damage, and ensuring compliance with all relevant regulations and safety standards. Overall, general cargo is an essential part of global trade and plays a significant role in the transportation of goods around the world. 9. Livestock ship. A livestock ship, also known as a livestock carrier or a live export vessel, is a type of cargo ship designed to transport live animals, such as cattle, sheep, pigs, and horses. These ships are typically equipped with pens, stalls, and feeding and watering systems to ensure the animals' welfare during transport. Livestock ships may have different configurations depending on the type and size of the animals being transported. For example, some ships may have multi-tiered decks with ramps or lifts to move the animals between levels. Others may have open decks with pens for larger animals like cattle or horses. The safety and welfare of the animals during transport is of utmost importance, and livestock ships are subject to strict regulations and standards to ensure their well-being. This includes requirements for ventilation, lighting, temperature control, and access to food and water. However, despite these regulations, there have been instances of poor conditions and welfare concerns on some livestock ships, leading to controversy and calls for tighter regulations in the live export industry. 10. Reefer ships. These ships are designed to transport perishable goods, such as fruits, vegetables, and meats, in refrigerated containers. Reefer ships have specialized refrigeration systems that maintain the cargo at a specific temperature throughout the journey. Reefer ships can be used for both short and long hauls, and they can operate in various temperature ranges, from below freezing to above room temperature. They are designed to maintain a consistent temperature and humidity level, and they have backup systems in place in case of equipment failure or power outage. The use of reefer ships is essential for the transportation of perishable goods worldwide, and they play a significant role in the global trade of food and other temperature-sensitive products. The demand for reefer shipping has increased in recent years due to the growth of international trade and the globalization of food supply chains.
Subscribe to our channel, comment and press the bell button to stay notified about our new videos.